Hi friends, this is Famous Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A15s smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset smartphone Oppo A15s. First of all, switch off your phone. Just long press this power button. Long press and hold it. Now, from this white circle, swipe down. Your phone will be switched off. Just wait few seconds. Now you have to use power button and volume down button to initiate hard reset. These two buttons are available on the right side of our phone. Just press and hold these two buttons for a few seconds. Press and hold power button and volume down button. Within few seconds, hard reset menu appear. Yes, it has been appeared. Now select language English. Here select wipe data, third option. Now you have to give your pattern for authentication. Without giving it, you cannot do it. And click on format data. Click OK. Format data is going on. Just wait few seconds. So here you have to select second option, format data, and then it will be a completely reset. Click OK. It will automatically restart your phone. Yes, phone has been restarted, and wait few seconds to few minutes. Now you have to set up your phone. Select language. Here select any language. Click next. Turn off use mobile data. Skip this step so you can set up your phone very fastly. Click next. Accept terms and conditions from Google. Click later. Click next. Click next. Click later. Click on get started. Yes, your phone setup is complete, and now if you anything want to set like a lock screen, fingerprint and face detection, you can set here, then you can use your phone. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.